We're back in Loveland. Eternal's hooked up. We're going to start the maiden voyage here by plugging it in. Fire this puppy up. Factory set at 110, which you can see here. We purged the gas as well. I'm hoping I can. That's a view of looking down the sight glass. You can see the natural gas is lit and the burner's going. And we're going to start heating up the tank initially. Hey folks, all this video is in real time right here throughout so that you can gauge how long this thing actually takes to start heating water. And once that thing, that'll go for a little while here, but we'll wait till this thing settles out. If we can adjust the temperature. Not yet. It's going through all its diagnosis and everything else, I guess. There we go. You should start when this thing starts running and we start. Yeah. Should start seeing a little bit of condensate once this thing starts producing hot water. It won't be an absorbent amount, but it'll be a little bit. Well, we've gone about a minute. This is the initial startup, so let's see if we can adjust the temperature yet. There we go. Are you looking for 115 or 120?
I'm going to try 120 and then open up the shower and see how she goes.
Alright. Now you've got
with 115.
Condensate right now dripping out of the. It's not much, but we did get some there. The floor drain's wet where it came out. So now we'll turn the tap on here. 2003, 4. 5, 6, 7. We still got some cold water in the line. The water heater's kicked on. You can hear it. There, it's starting to get warm. About 8 or I'd say 10, 12 seconds from opening the tap. Now it's plenty hot. So that's where your 120 is going to come in. It's not going to burn you, but if I wouldn't hold my hand underneath there too long. So, so you want to go up and we're going to start opening up showers and see if this thing. Yeah, and I'm.
Check the outside. Exhaust too. Is that blower running right now?
You hear it sucking air is what's going. That's what you hear.
So the blower will kick on
when it needs to. Yep. Yep.
It doesn't want to.
No. Not at all. No.
Alright. I'm going to set 3 showers and we'll run this out.
Okay. That's fine. I'm going to put this on so I see the gallons per minute increase when you do it. We can go all the way with this unit up to 140 like your natural normal water heater would be. The owner wanted us to try 120. I think it's a little bit warm for my liking, but and the burner kicked on. He's up there opening up shower heads, so there's our gallons per minute. Now 1.9, that's one shower head. you'll see that's in gallon. There he opened up the second shower head or another faucet. We're up to 4.40, 4 gallons per minute. That's with 2 showers going. And it's going to fluctuate a little bit. I think what he's doing is adjusting cold water. Whenever you use cold water, you're mixing cold water, so you're in with the hot water. When you adjust that, you got to keep in mind that you're not using all the hot water. So it's, in other words, you don't have full hot on. There he's started opening up another shower. So he's going to run 3 showers and see if this thing keeps up with it. It's a GU 195 Eternal. We just installed this. 4.9, we're up to, it's fluctuating. There, I get my gallons per minute back up. Now we had this particular, I'd say incoming water temperature, I haven't measured it, but it's October. Beginning October in Cincinnati, so we're probably looking at a groundwater temperature of around 50 degrees is my guess. It hasn't quite cooled off yet, but nonetheless, I'd say you might drop down in the mid to low 40s maybe in the winter time around here on average. So. .7. So we're pretty steady around 5 gallons, close to 5 gallons per minute. This thing will do, I think 6.5 if you look at the chart. Depends on the degrees rise, but it's set at 125 right now. So we're normally would be running at 120 or 115, which means that you don't have to increase the water temperature from the get-go anymore, so it would keep up even better. But 4.75 at 125. And you can see the condensate as it runs out here of our half-inch drain. It doesn't put out a whole lot, but does need a place to go and get piped to. He's still pulling close to 5 gallons per minute, and then if we want to, we can open up this. We'll still get plenty hot water out of there. We'll see what that did.
About 5:30.
Yeah, we went up to 5.6. So we're fluctuating here with our other faucet open. Ooh, that's plenty hot. 125's, you can see, we would drop back down again on the gallons per minute when I closed off this laundry tray here. So, did it hold up?
3 hot showers.
3 hot showers. Good deal.
Don't like the difference.
Well, I opened this one up and it bumped it up to 5.3, 5.4 towards just here a second ago. So, and it was plenty hot. Yeah. The only thing left to do is fill out the invoice for the owner, which I'm sure he's looking forward to. I mean that jokingly. Do get your tax credit though if you get one in before the end of the year. This is approximately 98 or better efficiency on the gas to heating the water ratio. I mean, can't go wrong there. Hey, thanks for watching us here, folks, on YouTube and FlowRightPlumbing.com. Thanks for watching this installation video and the finish here on the Eternal Hybrid GU 195 model. Once again, that's the Eternal Hybrid, and you've got until December 31st of 2010 to utilize getting one of these put in your household for the tax credit that Mr. Obama has so graciously allowed us. But as you can see, this thing is really a producer, and I believe well worth the money as well as the people we put them in for.